Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the fastest growing parish in Jamaica and some mega developments taking place in it. Now, Jamaica has three parishes that are seeing unprecedented developments. Montego Bay, a lot of hotels. St. Catherine, a lot of warehouses and logistics hubs. But St. Anne is without a doubt the fastest growing parish in Jamaica. St. Anne has residential developments, hotel developments, warehouse developments, commercial buildings, hotels. It has everything. And it is growing faster than any other parish. Now, there are two places in Jamaica, well, probably three by now, that lead that are the top the three fastest growing areas in Jamaica are all in St. Anne. Draxall, fastest growing area. Runaway Bay, second fastest growing area. And now we can add Miami Bay to that list. And Miami Bay is probably the third fastest growing area in Jamaica. And all three are in St. Anne. And St. Anne also has Ocherios. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And one of the reasons why St. Anne does so well is because the top three tourist attractions are in St. Anne. Duns River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Dolphin Cove. Doesn't matter where in Jamaica you stay, chances are you are going to take a trip to St. Anne to visit one of those three places. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening in St. Anne. St. Anne is rapidly establishing itself as one of Jamaica's most dynamic and attractive investment hubs. Driven by a combination of infrastructure expansion, real estate development, tourism growth, and private sector confidence, the parish is undergoing a transformation that is reshaping its economic landscape. According to Delano Seawright, this surge in activity reflects both local and international recognition of St. Anne's strategic importance and long-term potential. A key factor behind this growth is the increasing interest from investors who see the parish as a prime location for development. Its position along Jamaica's north coast, combined with its established tourism appeal and improving infrastructure, makes it highly attractive for residential, commercial, and mixed-use projects. This has led to a steady rise in construction activity, particularly in housing developments such as villas, condominiums, and second homes. Demand is being driven not only by local buyers but also by members of the Jamaican diaspora seeking investment opportunities or vacation properties. Infrastructure development is playing a central role in supporting this expansion. The government, through mechanisms such as the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, is working to accelerate project execution and improve efficiency. Major road upgrades are among the most significant initiatives, including plans for new tolled highway corridors designed to bypass congested towns such as Ocherios, Miami Bay, Draxall, Richmond, and Runaway Bay. These improvements are expected to significantly reduce travel time, ease congestion, and enhance the movement of goods and people across key economic zones. In addition to highways, sections of the North Coast Road are being widened to modern boulevard-style corridors. Also, the expansion of residential and commercial centers is another defining feature of St. Anne's development. Areas such as Richmond and Draxall are emerging as key hubs, with new housing schemes, retail spaces, and business operations taking shape. Developments like Parasediac are contributing to the creation of a continuous economic belt along the North Coast, where tourism, commerce, and residential living are increasingly integrated. Tourism continues to play a vital role in this transformation. New resort developments, hotel upgrades, and mixed-use projects are driving construction activity and generating employment. In conclusion, the rapid development of St. Anne reflects a powerful combination of strategic planning, infrastructure investment, and private sector confidence. With continued support from initiatives like the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority and sustained interest from investors, the parish is well on its way to becoming a central engine of economic growth in Jamaica. As the trends continue, St. Anne is poised not only to lead national development, but also to serve as a model for integrated sustainable growth across the island. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.